Hi, I'm Dave Booth, Vice President of Sales with Caliber Equipment. What I'd like to do is take just a couple minutes and talk to you about one of the many pieces of cleaning equipment we offer. This particular machine is from Madvac. This is the LP61G. This is a litter vacuum. Trash collection is a challenge for any company, whether you're landfill, state, municipal, college. You've got trash and right now you maybe are hand picking it. This is a machine that can absolutely save you an incredible amount of labor and does a great job getting into areas that a typical street sweeper or other types of equipment can't get to. Let me walk you around it real quick and I can point out some things to you. This particular machine, you can get it two ways. Number one, you can get it skid mounted, which is everything is built on a heavy steel chassis with pockets so it can be picked up with a forklift, and now you can put it in the back of your vehicle, a pickup truck, and then take it to where you have to collect trash. Fence lines, corners, areas that you cannot access with other equipment. Or, as you see here, this is the trailer package. So now they've taken it, we have a trailer hitch on it, and it's got axle and wheels and fenders. So now I can take this, hook it up, and pull it behind and transport it, or take it, hook it up to a gator or some other off-road vehicle because I need to get out away from the roadway to pick up trash. Landfills are a very big user of this specific machine because you get trash that blows off of the landfills, it gets into fence lines. Now, instead of hand picking all that, you can do it with this machine. Machine comes standard with the Vanguard gasoline engine, 14 horsepower, electric start. So it's very serviceable, easy to get to. It comes with additional gas cans because it runs on gas. So you have a total between 2.5s and 2.5 in there, about 12-gallon capacity when you go out into the field. Comes with a standard 12-volt battery, and that's what we use for starting. Nice big strobe light, whether you're towing it or just having it out. The unique part about the LP61 is how it compresses and sucks up the litter. Most people think of this type of equipment, leaf picker up and vacuums, that they shred it. Well, this, we're compacting it in. And let me show you. This is about a 70-gallon tank. And with the impeller at the bottom, and I'm going to show you that, it sucks the trash, as you see coming up the hose, into the container. And it compacts it so you can pick up over 100 gallons of trash. This simply swings open. And you can get it two ways, either a fiberglass reusable disposable liner, or there is a Kevlar liner that you pull out, dump, and put back in. This particular style fits in there. Once it's full, all we do is simply pull it out, and we can put another bag inside. Or take this and dump it into another receptacle. If we look up inside here, this is a stainless steel liner. The impeller is at the bottom. So the air flows through with the trash. It goes through the walls of the fiberglass mesh bag and it exhausts out through the impeller. But we're protecting the impeller because nothing bigger than these holes can ever get through into that impeller and damage it. The air that is being pulled through then is exhaust through a filter bag which rests up on top of here. So this helps control the dust that you're going to stir up if it's really dry. But the nice thing is I can use this whether it's wet out, raining, damp, doesn't matter. This machine can pull up trash in pretty much any condition. As you pull the bag out, once it's filled, then we can put another bag in. Once it's set, all we do is simply lock down these latches and we're ready to start up again. The last thing you see, it comes with this pivoting arm. So as I'm working around the unit, This helps keep it off the ground and lets me flow. This is an 8-inch diameter suction hose, 25 feet long. Comes with this heavy nozzle that I use to pick up the trash. And I can add another 25 feet of hose to this. So now I can go out 50 feet away from the unit, wherever it's at, and pick up the trash. So as you can see, this is a heavy, well-built machine, very unique in our industry. There's really nothing else out there like it. So if you have a lot of trash and debris or leaves that are going into areas that you cannot access with your current equipment, this is definitely a piece of equipment you want to look at. The time savings is 7-8 to 1. What one man can pick up with this machine, it would take 6-7 guys hand picking and putting them into bags. Well, you can eliminate all this and now make it a one-man job. And he's got the capacity to pick up 70 to 100 gallons of trash, pull a bag, put another one in, and you're back in business. So, if you have trash and litter issues in your operation, give us a call, Caliber Equipment, 888-550-0945. And thanks for watching.